Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change the license plate bulbs on an 03 Tundra. You need any parts for your vehicle? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Phillips screwdriver removes the plate light assembly. Take that screw right out, place it aside, then you just grab onto the assembly and pull forward. See the lip? And then you've got your connector in the back here. They don't give you much of a harness to push on it, but right there I'm going to just literally twist the assembly and turn it off. If you need to replace the socket, now would be the time. If you have a burnt out socket, if your bulbs, that's how you take the bulb out. Replace it the same way with a new bulb. These bulbs are called 194. That's the number. So to reinstall it, you take your lamp assembly, you line up the notches, seat it, and turn. Lock it in. Reverse procedure. Bring that tab down, seat it. Take your screwdriver with the Phillips screw on it, line it up, lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.